Hi everyone, welcome to Research and Analysis. In this tutorial, we will discuss the difference between two features of PowerPoint, and these two features are transitions and animations. Transition is about the way your slide appear when you switch from one slide to next slide. You may apply same transitions to all of your slides, or you may also choose a different transition for each of your slide. While animation feature is about how your text or the objects appear within a slide. So in simple word, you can say transition is about the external to the slide and animation is about the internal of the slide. So let me tell you how to apply the transitions. Transition, you can see these two features, these two options in PowerPoint, transitions and animations. So let's first discuss the transitions. So here you just need to go to the transition option, and from here you can choose any of the transition that are given here. For example, if you want to choose the push one, this one, fourth option, you just first need to select the slide and just click this one. So now this is just showing you how your slide will appear while you are presenting your slides. So once you apply the transitions, you will see a star next to the number of your slide. In the same way, you can go to the next slide and you can apply the same transition, or you may choose a different transition for your next slide. Like in this case, we are applying a different transition. Let me show you how your slide will appear while you are presenting. So this is how your slide will appear in front of your audience. Now let's discuss about the animation option. For this purpose, you need to go to the animation, and from the slide, for example, if you want to apply animation to the material of this slide, first we need to select the object or the text. That, for example, if we want to apply the animation to this text, first select the text and then you can apply any of the animation that options are given here. For example, floating. So now animation has been applied to this text. You can see once you apply the animation to the text, a number is being allotted to that text. So it helps you to just manage this kind of animation. If you want to make any change, click the text, and you can also change if you want to make any change in the animation. So this is how you can use these two features of transitions and animations in your slides. I hope this video will be helpful. Thanks for watching.